All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and it's Tuesday, and this is um, an extra video after I finished the testing for today. Today we served a full and tres salad with sweet potatoes and goat cheese patties and more ingredients. Check the other video, and we use as a dressing extra virgin olive oil and white balsamic vinegar dressing. But this is the second part, so we are inside of the Meals for Longevity testing kitchen, and this is for the people they want to see a little bit more what's behind. There is a little bit of teaching about this, and it's good to spend some time together. So I learned more how to let you know what I've done for 2 years, and you also get the opportunity to understand that what is this about? What is Meals for Longevity? So we're just gonna take it as it comes. In the future, we're going to have a Mediterranean diet cooking classes. For this time, I don't have a structure, so I'm just gonna use what is left over to give you my comments and see if I answer to your questions. So let's start from this side. I have some moringa tea. It's good to serve natural tea, and that's what I use for my judges along coffee. Over here I see some fruit. This is the end of the testing. I served 100 grams of fruit. That's a little mandarin and 3/4 of apple. It's not a full intake. I prefer to spread the fruit intake during the day between the breakfast, the snacks, the lunch, and the dinner as a substitute for the desserts. So to reduce that craving of a dessert after dinner, we use fruit. So all this is just an overall explanation. Then in the future, we're going to have more details about it. And when you will use the DIY meal plan builder, the system that I have created will do all this for you. We're just gonna look around. This is some shopping. Yep, this is for tonight. I have some Parmigiano, some blueberries for breakfast. This is for dinner. I'm gonna make a broccoli soup. I have the fruit. There's another apple. I have some peas. I'm gonna make a beef stew with peas and peppers over tomatoes. So the point of this is it's good to shop for fresh food, seasonal food, to create a menu based on the season, the availability, the price, out of plastic. So that's how I create the recipes with this, the fruit and the vegetable that they are in season, and also for you to be able to find the ingredients of what is good for you to eat without getting stressed. So I go to shop every day for testing fresh food, but most likely this has a good also shelf life, so you can go ahead and shop 3-4 days ahead. This is what's remaining from testing. I use my own recipes. I laid the food. This is the remaining of the balsamic dressing. when you download the recipes, they will come with a section that's called Easy Ingredients Layout. Will guide you how to place your ingredients next to your bowl if you're mixing, next to your pan if you're cooking, and that's a step that's very important for you to cook with all the ingredients, and it's comfortable. So they will come on the recipe as a list. So we have several sections: introduction with the name, a nice description, few details about Mediterranean diet, allergy free, how long it takes to cook, all this stuff. But the most important parts are the shopping list, the prep list, the easy layout ingredients for you to follow to cook on the first page, and then there will be my notes. There will be some healthy quick notes. It tells you what's available on the resources for health regarding the ingredients that you're going to be using. And then there will be a section for the calorie intake for the people, the subscribers and the members. There are going to be two different things you'll learn in the future, that they are doing the diet calories program, 1500, 2000, 2500. There will be some modifiers. Add this, remove that, stuff like that. So it's very easy. Second page, it will be 9 steps with pictures, details, short description, temperatures of what you're cooking, how you're cooking. Easy stuff. It takes just a few minutes to put it together. You're going to keep on your phone, you're going to print it, you're going to download it first of all. You go on our website, on mealsforlongevity.com. You download it for $1, but if you're a subscriber, you download it for $0 because you pay a subscription monthly fee of $9.99. This will help me to pay all the fees for the website and merchant fees, and to give some money to the people that they do the typing, organizing, accounting, taxes, all that stuff. So we're shooting to start with $9.99. It's just a magic number. It's below 10, and it's not enough money for us to keep going. I do have a full-time job, so I am good. So the money that I'm going to be asking you for are for supporting this research of the new modern Mediterranean diet. And I hope I explained this well. So $1 or $9.99. The membership will come in the future after we reach 500 subscribers. We're going to open up for membership, and that will give you more options like extended recipes with more pictures, videos, blogs, podcast. You're going to spend more time with me. At that time, I think I will work for you full time. So that's why we need to wait 500 subscriptions that will take for me to pull out to support my life and my family life. So anyways, it's not important to talk about money right now, but it's important about results. So we were here. You're going to have a layout for your ingredients, your cooking instructions. Today we fried some patties. Yes, fried food is available for the new modern Mediterranean diet with certain characteristic. That means we're going to give you the latest update of the cooking techniques. So we're going to talk about also frying. The Mediterranean diet doesn't say on the pyramid about the limitation of fried food, but the science does. So we're going to have a little bit of everything. The most important thing, my job for you is to explain you how it's properly done, the baking, the boiling, the frying, and so on. So there will be quite a bit of recipes. My target is to start with 50. I have 200 already tested. It takes more time to put them on the internet than actually cook them. And then in the future, we're going to open up to all the chefs in the world that they are going to help us, professional chefs, to put their recipe. So we're going to feature them and we're going to create a profile for them. So we're going to have a lot of recipes available. What else? Bread, you're going to learn how to make bread or how to purchase bread if you're busy. Over here, organizing the kitchen a little bit.